Imagine an affiliate market where chaos reigns supreme. Except for conceptual purpose, let's show a desert. Picture the perfect violent storm exploding, lightning terrorizing some vague, vast desert landscape. Telegram bots scurry from thread to thread. The air is stale, yet pulsates that unbridled scam energy like your ex. Hide your wallet, not an admin for miles. It's scary. Do you have goose pimples? I do. Look at them. Somewhere out there in this increasing violent and obviously symbolic atmosphere, a portal begins to form. It's small at first, an insignificant speck in the grand spectacle, but it's growing really, really fast. Its gravitational pull intensifying, warping the space around it. Everything is drawn to it, the lightning, the sand. Some guy in his grandmother's basement mining social tokens he trades for furry nudes, all gone. The very essence of the storm itself is crushed as it is stretched into a streak of light or a spaghetti noodle or something. I don't know, that's just what I picture. It's freaky. Anyway, the chaos intensifies. The black hole begins tearing at the fabric of reality itself, revealing the void. It devours everything, the storm, the desert, ClickFunnels, Amazon, the night itself, until nothing. I figured if I was going to use AI for this video, I might as well send it. An electric moan builds into a wall of screaming sound, echoing the fury of the storm. The universe implodes, drawn into the singularity until nothing remains, not even the Forex guys. The brightest of lights erupts, and then, from the mind of 20-year entrepreneur, social media influencer, affiliate marketer, and passive income coach Jim O'Neill, emerges something better. Born from the chaos, a beacon of calm, order, maybe even a bit of a tall order. Welcome to the only passive income blog you need bookmarked ever. A single destination for the hottest current passive income opportunities, affiliate marketing programs and products, free resources, education and a laugh, a haven for crypto enthusiasts, a source for airdrops and so much more. This is howtopassive.com, passive income for anyone, whether they have Monry or not. The tools, the how-to, everything. One stop. That's pretty good. I wish I would have thought that. It's an opportunity to harness the power of the storm, to transform the chaos into calm. It's a way out. The storm is over, the calm has begun. Visit howtopassive.com and navigate the journey to financial freedom. Bookmark it, like, share, subscribe, and set alerts for a major announcement. Together, we will make money. Together, we will conquer the chaos.